Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 16, 2020. Let's get started.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Let's review the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today is Thursday, April 16, 2020. Yesterday was Wednesday, April 15th, and tomorrow will be Friday, April 17th. The month of the year is April, and next month will be May. So let's say it all together. Today is April, Thursday, 16th, 2020. And today the weather is partly cloudy, 70 degrees. It has been chilly outside.
So for today's morning workout, you'll find a video named Gong Noodle, and you could use that as your daily exercise video. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day.
So today's agenda, we'll be working on IEP goals, number 1 and number 2. Attached to this video, you can also get the links for the IEP goals. And remember to contact me to my email or my personal phone number from 8 to 4 if you have any questions. So how are you feeling today? Mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? I am feeling happy because tomorrow is Friday. So let's get started.